Hi, welcome back. Today I got some groceries and I'm gonna cook. So join with me to cook some vegan dinner in the camper. You can tell me this, but if potatoes are a little bit mushy, does that mean they're going bad? Because this was from the outlet store, and I don't know how much I trust these. I kind of want to cook a bunch so that I have more for later. I feel like potatoes are just going to take a long time, but I don't think I have enough to put in it without potatoes. So I'm going to do it, and we'll be up all night, okay? Are you ready? Now you get to see how this works with my sink situation. I think the water pump you're supposed to be able to leave on, but I have to turn it on and off each time. So I'm gonna wash some of these potatoes. So I turn the water pump on. I'm always cautious about conserving water. I probably don't even need to do this unless I'm gonna not peel it. I don't think I'm gonna peel it though. See, the water pump just doesn't sound happy. See, the lights will flicker until I shut it off. My dad said it's supposed to be able to, you're supposed to be able to keep it on and it'll like pressurize and then you leave it on. So that's one of the many things I still have to figure out. My lid doesn't fit my... Okay, so potatoes are all chopped, and I realize this is the only thing that I'm cooking that I'm really gonna get to season myself, so that means this is my only chance to add good flavor. I turned the propane on, but it does have like a leak. You don't smell it till like it's been on for about a day. But so I won't smell it tonight, but I'll just shut it off when I'm done before I write from it. It always takes a minute the first time I turn it on. There we go. There we go. Okay, I got this garlic. This has been unrefrigerated for a while. Do you think it's okay? Does it say keep refrigerate after opening? My friend doesn't like wasting food, so she's gonna be mad at me. Sorry. I like garlic. Do you like garlic? Is that... I think that's a good amount. You never know, a little more kind of... Yeah, it's a lot of potatoes. It's a lot of potatoes. Okay. Can you tell I'm a professional? Okay. Don't laugh at me. Okay, this is gonna be yummy. It might take a while. This is just all purpose. Okay, I already did garlic. Okay, onion. Oh, that's stuck. Okay, I have another one. Is it because it's been hot out? Don't look at me like that. That would be weird. I have this one I got at TJ Maxx. Roast vegetables and fries. I do a little bit of it. It's looking good. Let me show you close up.
I trust in you. What will you do?
I'm layering. I got beans. Did you see me put the beans? Now I put avocado. I don't want it to be mushy. So, because I don't have the tostada, I'm gonna put chips. That's a good idea, right? Okay, I think I'm gonna have cheese, right? These are getting there. I want them to be Taco Bell style. You know what I'm talking about? Like spicy potato soft tacos. I don't know. I think they're pretty close to done. Almost done. Still a little bit hard, but almost there. Okay, I'll do the chips now. See, there's little things about this camper. Like whoever had it before me put a computer fan, so that's what's running right now. As like a under the hood thing fan. No, some people are gonna say that's not a Crunchwrap, it's just like a burrito folded up. Which you're not wrong, but I like burritos. I just hope it's good. I feel like I'm gonna want it to have more flavor. But I think this is the chips. Don't you know I'm not your ghost anymore? Oh yeah, should I put the tempeh? I want to. It's gonna need hot sauce. Okay, the salsa, beans, avocado, cheese, chips, tempeh, potatoes, salsa. I think it's gonna be good. Okay, are you ready? All the way from Oakland, California. Funky Divas. Also, this is a life. You got to. Don't actually ask me what tempeh is, because I couldn't tell you. But I know I think it's soy. Is that right? That sounds right. But it's actually really good if it's seasoned right. Like the texture is thick. Okay, that's enough. I'm kind of loading this up. It's getting hard. They can never close my burritos at Chipotle. And I'm a vegetarian. There's no meat in it. Is that just me? I didn't want it to burn because some of the sides are getting a little bit crispy. But now I want the moisture to cook off. Because the ones at Taco Bell are dry. You know? I think they air fry shit though. Try and get a taste. This one doesn't have much. That's pretty good. Pretty good. Okay. Oh, that looks good. Okay. Oh my gosh, I forgot I had lime. See, it's gonna be fancy. Lime and the coconut. Shake it all up. Not too much. Whoa. Okay, I think that's enough. I forgot about all these other seasonings I have. I know it looks a little crazy because I don't know if I want to tell you, but it sat in storage for like a year. Is that bad? This would have been good. Is it too late? That's good. Yeah, it's not too late. Never too late. Okay. This is gonna be good. I can do it. See, here's the cumin. It's like hash browns. Eat that, Luke. Eat that. Look at these potatoes for burritos later. Okay. Moment of truth. Oh, no. wait, this is totally gonna work. Okay, wait, it's like, ha! It's like a star, just like a star. Bro, this worked. Okay. Glorious, I'm telling you. Okay. Glorious. Oh, bro. You see that? Okay, I should do this side first, right? Okay. Bro, I didn't think I'd do that. Okay. Okay. Not too high, just too low. Like a medium, because some of that stuff isn't cooked, you know what I'm saying? Like all of it. But it's, you know, like the beans, all of it's cooked, it's just not heated up. So really I should have cooked it the other way, because then the seasonings would go down. It'll be fine. Okay, you can watch me clean up while this cooks. I gotta make a list now of things that I need, because that was a struggle fest. Can opener, cooking utensils like spatula, and I want it to all be matching colors, because I like this. Because here the Dollar Tree has stuff like this color. Can you see that? It's like that color but a little bit lighter. And then like this bowl, you know, Target, I didn't know that. I was never a Target bitch, but look at, doesn't that look like any drink would just be delicious to drink out of that? So, and they did have the same color, but they were out of my color. Oh, zip lock bags, tinfoil, saran wrap, Tupperware. Okay, I wonder how it's doing. Probably, definitely still needs some time. See, I don't have a spatula. Is that what that's called? They're both called spatulas, right? The flippy one and the mixer one. I think I have one upstairs. My box of stuff from moving. I'm scared. No, it's not ready. It's not ready. Have you heard British people say that it's offensive when American people do British accents? What do you think? Can you say that in the comments? Is it offensive? See, I want one of those things that hangs right here for like fruit and onions and vegetables, and then I could put the tomatoes and the avocados, and they'd be like, oh, and I'd feel like a... So for now, that's gonna have to do it. Okay, you're gonna get a close-up view for this, because look at this, ready? Oh, bro, I didn't think I was gonna do that good. Okay, ready? Other side. I didn't even burn it. I think you guys are good luck, because I've never not burnt something. That might be a little bit dramatic, but I don't think it is. I should have got the plates. I knew I should have got the plates. But I got these at the thrift store, which are cute though, right? They got little flowers on them. Don't worry, I washed them. Okay. Bam. Down, chicka, wow, wow. Oh my gosh. I'm excited. I'm nervous. Is it gonna be good? That better be good. Yum. Wow. It honestly doesn't taste like a Crunchwrap. It's just the shape, but it tastes really good. I can tell the vegan cheese, but it's really good, bro. Doesn't even need hot sauce yet. You don't do the happy dance when you eat good food? Bro, I'm gonna do that again. It's got all the flavors. I think it's the tempeh and the potatoes. Those are the flavorful things. Your avocado, beans, little chips. It's not, the chips aren't that crunchy, but it's got like a little saltiness to it. The salsa, I needed the salsa. But yeah, I guess regular Crunchwraps have lettuce They're more light. They're not stuffed. And this is stuffed. It's like okay, I'm done.
You wanna speak what you wanna be, who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I die.
Thank you guys for watching, and thanks for having patience as I get better at this YouTube thing. I promise my videos are gonna get better, but make a Crunchwrap because that shit was good. It was really good. Okay, so, and I'm gonna do more cooking. I have a lot of videos I've recorded, but I haven't posted. But you can check out what I have right here now. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Just do